Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. Today we are talking about some Valentine's Day gift ideas. I know by the time the video will be on air, it is too late to grab some gifts for you maybe, but you know, this idea is not only for Valentine's Day. You can use this idea for any occasion or for any time, because the products that I'm going to show you today is something that you need in your life. So when we say Valentine's Day gift ideas, we always think about other person, like our husband, boyfriend, friend, any other relative. But have you ever thought to give yourself something special, like buying something special for yourself on a special day? Yes, that is really interesting. So this year I thought to buy some gift items for myself to make my day really special. So today I'm going to share with you the items that I have bought for myself as a gift in this Valentine's Day. So I hope you really enjoy it. We don't really need to depend on other people to make our day special. Oh, when they're going to surprise me, when they're going to buy something for me. There's no need of that. You can plan what you need and you can buy it yourself. You know, shopping makes you happy. This year I thought I will buy some of my, long awaited products that I wanted to buy. Those were in my wish list. I wanted to grab them in my Valentine's Day. Why not? You know what? If you buy something in any other day, it's fine, but you're buying it in a special day, those items remain special for the rest of the year. But yes, if you have your husband, boyfriend, or any partner, don't forget about them. You're buying for yourself, that is good. Think about them too. Buy something special for them too. So now I'm going to share with you what I have got for this Valentine's Day. So first I'm going to show you this water bottle. How pretty is that? So this water bottle is made of glass and this is covered with silicone, so it is safe and very comfortable to hold, and also it can hold 1 liter water, which is amazing. It's such a beautiful water bottle, and I do think that you need aesthetically pleasing water bottle in your life, because I always forget to drink water, and I know so many of you are like me, but when you have this kind of cute water bottle in front of you, you won't forget that. And it's very essential to drink plenty of water. With this kind of a bottle, you can actually measure how much water you are drinking. So I think this is very essential in my life. You all should get something like this, and I will link down below from where I got my water bottle. Next, I got this really cute coffee mug. Look how gorgeous it is. This is a very light pink, or you can say blush color, and these are all gold with cheetah print. So this year I got pretty much everything in cheetah print. I got pants, I got sweater, I got my hairband, I got shoes, I got almost everything in cheetah print, and now I have a mug. If you are a coffee drinker like me, I think you will definitely love to have this kind of gorgeous mugs in your collection. I actually love having a different kind of mug. Whenever I see something different, I try to collect that, because drinking coffee is not just about drinking it. It's a pleasant time, and it is also something how you present it. It is very important to me, and I know so many of you love good presentation while drinking or eating. You can collect this type of mug, especially before any special occasion. Different companies come out with so many different cute mugs, so I think this is the time when you can collect the aesthetic mugs. So next I have got some brushes. So makeup brushes are really important in your life. I have got all these makeup brushes from Real Technique. These are actually sent to me from Brill Communications as a Valentine's gift, and I do love them a lot. They're so pleasing, they're so gorgeous. The colors, especially for Valentine's Day, they're so pretty. So you know what, Real Technique brushes look gorgeous, they're so affordable, and they're so amazing. They work really great. So you can buy this kind of brushes, and you can also gift them to your friend or Any girl that love makeup will love these brushes. Next, I want to show you something that I'm obsessed with. I have got these nail polishes for this Valentine's Day. They are such a pretty color. One is from Dior and the other is from YSL. So let me show you the colors. This nail polish is from YSL and this is a beige color. This is so pretty. And I think this color is just perfect for this Valentine's Day. And I also got this one. This is from Dior. Look at the color. And this shade is called Incognito. Right now I'm wearing this shade in my nails and look how pretty they are. So these nail polishes are expensive, but I do think that they're such great quality. They give you the salon-like nails at home, so they're totally worth buying. Today I'm wearing them. I'm loving how pretty these nails are. Like, they're so pretty, and you know, these are so great for everyday wear. I have read so much good reviews, so I can tell you later if they're lasting longer or not. Today is the first day I'm wearing it, and so far I'm loving it so much, and especially the colors, amazing. So these are very special, and because I got them this Valentine's Day, I think they will remain very special for me. Next, I got myself this pajama set. So I really like the color black with white piping. I wanted them for so long. Finally, I thought this Valentine's Day I really need to grab them. So these are so soft to touch, so comfortable. I can already feel it. And this is the brand that I got my pregnancy maternity dresses from, my delivery gown, and that was so comfortable. When I saw this pajama set from their brand, I just thought this would be great. So I can totally feel they're soft and nice, so I'm very excited to wear them. I actually got this from Amazon. This brand sells in Amazon Prime. So I just got them in a day. Like, I ordered and next day they arrived. So that's pretty awesome. And I will link down below everything from where I got this product. So if you love anything, you can check it. I'll link down below everything. So if you love anything, whatever I'm showing here today, so you can grab them. Everything will be in the description box below. Okay, I want to show you one thing, and that is this phone case. So I got this phone case from Ideal of Sweden, and this is actually not for Valentine's Day. I got this for New Year. They gifted me. But I want to mention that I got so many phone cases from Ideal of Sweden. I work as a brand ambassador, but not just for that. I personally, honestly, love their phone cases so much. They're so gorgeous. Like, they're so different and they're so durable. My phone cases, like the cases I bought like 2 years back or even before that, they're still working great. And I have a discount code for you guys, so the discount code will be somewhere here in the screen, and also I will share that in the description box below, so you can check it. You can get 20% discount whenever, whatever you buy from this site. They have phone cases, they have headphones, they have phone mount, lots of different phone accessories, so you can check their website. And Ideal of Sweden is such a great brand. They also deliver in Canada just in 2 to 3 days. Whenever I order, I get their product just in 2 or 3 days. So it's just great. So I want to show you something that I got for my home, and I'm so happy that I got them. So I got these 2 candles. These are from Bath and Body Works. This one actually smells incredible, so gorgeous. Smells like, oh, it smells so good. When you just open it, it's so fresh and so, I don't know, it smells like flower. It feels like you have a flower garden around you. It's awesome. And this one, this is another gorgeous candle. This is fresh cut lilacs, and trust me, when you open the lid, you can feel it. You feel the fresh cut lilacs. Like, honestly, smells so good. I never ever found any candle like this. I'm so impressed. I totally recommend you. And I place it here, so it's gorgeous. I'm so happy that I got these candles, and I highly recommend you to get these candles, especially these two flavors. I almost tried all the flavors, and these two are the best. I have got a pair of sneakers for myself. These sneakers are so cute, and these are so comfortable. These sneakers are from the brand Naturalizer. I don't know how they pronounce it, but probably Naturalizer. These are so soft, like so soft, you can sleep on them, and it's so comfortable and looks so cute. These are great color. I really like it. Grabbing a good pair of sneakers, shoes, sandal, whatever you like is very important, and if you have something in your mind, you can totally get it during the Valentine's Day. It will make you feel really special. Now I'm going to show you what I have got for my husband. I got him this perfume, and this is Dior Sauvage, and this is very popular. Everybody loves it. I love it. I'm not sure if he's going to love it, but let's see. We will see that. I cannot really show you the bottle because it's, you know, sealed here, and I cannot really open it before I give it to him. So yeah, that's what I got for him. By the way, his gifts are going to be a surprise gift for him, so I think by the time the video will be uploaded, I will be already giving him the gift, so that I'm showing it here. Otherwise I had to keep it a secret. And I also got him this pajama set. This is also in black. I'm not going to open it right now, but yeah, this is a kind of similar pajama set as me. This is from the brand David Archie. David Archie is a really popular brand for men's sleepwear, and this is 100% cotton. I'm sure he's going to love it. I think this is going to be a lovely gift for him. So yeah, you can consider buying something like this for your partner, husband, boyfriend, or you know, anyone you love. So that's actually completes this video today. I have pretty much showed everything that I got for this Valentine's Day for myself and for my husband. So yeah, that is everything. I hope you have really enjoyed the idea of gifting yourself. I think this will make you really happy. Don't wait for any other person to buy you something, make you happy. Rather, if you have something in your mind, buy yourself. Let the other people surprise you, but you know, for your favorite things, don't wait for them. Just get yourself a present and you will feel really happy. So let me know what you have bought in this Valentine's Day. So please let me know what you think about my gift ideas. Did you like it? Did you find anything really special or helpful? I will be very happy to know your thoughts and opinion in the comment section below. So that is everything for today. I wish you a very happy Valentine's Day, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next video. Bye.